Going on, family? So I made a whole video and this shit didn't record nothing but my profile picture. So I don't know what was going on with that, but hopefully we could get this one right because I was trying to get the video out to y'all before the market opened, but think we rocking and rolling now. So this is where I ended. I'm gonna just go backwards now. Cryptocurrency is on sale. We got ETH under two. Bitcoin had yesterday was below 80,000. So yeah, go pick you up some stuff. I'm probably pick up some XRP, Ethereum. If you gotta sell some sell that couch, sell whatever, sell that TV. Put the money in here. This is like guaranteed to go back up. So uh, if you gotta take a break on the weekends, you know what I'm saying, from going out buying alcohol and shit, do that. If you gotta cut back on the weed smoke, cut that out for a little bit and put some money on this, you know what I'm saying? It's just sacrifices you gotta make for a certain amount of time to see to get to it because this stuff is on sale. Go and buy you some crypto. I'll probably do analysis on crypto and some of the stuff I'm buying, maybe some altcoins or meme coins or something. But just stick to the basics if you don't got any and get some Ethereum, Bitcoin. You don't gotta buy a whole one. You could just put money in there. I know I'm definitely gonna start shopping now that it's on sale like this. But uh today we got Jolts at 10, so that's gonna come out in 5 minutes. We'll see how the market reacts to that. Trump will speak at 5. Y'all tune into that to see what he says. We didn't really get any news today. Um, no major news today. We just waiting to see what we doing with the tariffs and all that stuff. Other than that, we just went over the charts. I'm gonna go over it real quick. If you need me to further explain anything that I didn't go over, I'm trying to do this quick so I can get the video out to y'all. I was saying with SPY, let's start with SPY. Let's take the EMA off. With SPYs, you can see right here. We have a good support. We was supposed to run into support yesterday. We ended up, let me delete this so you can see. We ended up dropping, hold on. We ended up dropping below, as you can see, this wick, right? But we ended up closing the day for the daily candle above the 560 level. So that was good. But as you can see today, we opened up below 560. So if we could get this next hour to open up over 560, look to trade up to 563 first, then 565, and then 570. Or to be just to be careful. I will wait if you want to, you could wait until we get over 563 to trade up to 565 and possibly go get 570. We got a gap up here that we got to fill, so you could possibly get all the way up until 574 and kind of break this red trend line and maybe it create a wick and then close under it and for us to continue to go back down. Unless we get some crazy and good news going up, I don't see us breaking this trend line. I don't see us going back over 575 until we do. And we get a lot of people convinced that it's a good that you know what I'm saying, the market is stable, it's a good time to buy right now. But under 560, we can fall all the way into 550 and so the next, as you can see, we had support in here. This will be at 553. You could catch some support. If we don't make it there, if we don't catch support at 553, we'll probably fall back down to 543, 544, maybe 545, somewhere in between there, to catch support. And if we just, I don't know, if we just keep selling and selling off, I would look to pick up at 520. down there. I doubt we get all the way down there today, but shit, you never know. I still will give y'all the levels, but I will first be looking at 555, 555 and like 5 to 545, 543 for support under 560. But if we should catch, I would like to see us catch momentum here at this 560 level to go back up to the upside and at least trade back up here to come get this gap fill right here. But yeah, that's SPY, the ES. On the ES, I will wait to trade over 56.42 for any long positions back up to 56.72, that level. And then if we just, like I said, get amazing news and futures is rocking and rolling, we could get all the way back up to 57.50 over 56.72. But though I would trade to this level first. Um Under, see, you could have caught this quick short position under. As you can see, we didn't hold right here. You could have caught it back down here, trying to catch it back down to 55.90 and just took your profit. But under 55.90 and we could come and retest this. It looks like an overnight high. I mean, an overnight low, which is at 55.58. So under 55.90, we can come back to 55.58. And then to continue down, if we don't catch steam there, I would look for I would look for somewhere in here. So like 55, about like 5,500. That's where I would look next under 55.90. So that's ES. Let's put you down there. Gold. Gold is on an uptrend. I think since yesterday. Let's look at it. As you can see though, overall, like on a higher time frame, we're still in this downtrend. We just opened up another candle, another 4 hour above it. So let's see if we can break, which is not looking like we could break 29.22. So if we come back down, I like puts under the break of this red trend line going up. So that would be like under 2,900, and I would put this back down. The under 29.05. I will put this back down to like 28 or 29 even or 28.95. As you can see, in between these two levels, we're ranging. So yeah, to break it is red trend line, and I would short gold. And I gave you the levels for that over 29.22, and then I would long it back up to 29.40. Nasdaq, as you can see, we formulating a box right here. So if you want, you could try to catch a long position over this 19,581 level up into 19,770. I would keep my stop loss real tight right here. As you can see, we're trying to break out. So I would on the next candle the next 15 or 5 minute candle that would close above this, I would trade it back up to 19.7. But I would keep my stop loss tight in case it's just a fake out and we want to come back in this box and range. Under 19.4, that's what that is. Under 19.4, I would trade back down to 19.250. That'll be a solid quick short position under there. But as long as we stay in this box, I'm not trying to range within this box. Choose a breakout of either up or down and go with that. Don't let it chop you out in here. If you want to trade within these two ranges, I guess that's cool, but I wouldn't do it. I would wait for a breakout of either of these two levels. And as you can see on the higher time frame, we got this white trend line going down. So shit, if we could get over 19.7, then I would trade back up here into like 19 into like 20,000. I would trade up to 20,000 over 19.7. And then under 19 250, I would trade back down to like 18.8. That's cute. That's Nasdaq. Platinum actually broke out at the level I gave yesterday. Congrats if you caught that trade. It broke out of the 974 and went straight to 980. So, oh shit, we made it to 985 too. Um, as you can see, we were rejecting. We finally got above, so this should hold as support. You could try to let's see if it'll come back to 974 and support and continue up, and it might create another box up here and just range from 974 to 985. But on a lower time frame, if we fail 974, I would definitely be short to 968 and then 964. Um, let's see. Tesla. Let's see if Tesla can hold 222. If we can't hold 222, then I would look to accumulate more at the 215 and 205 level. Tesla is at a good point to buy shares right now. So if you got some spare cash to buy some shares, or this is a company you would like to invest in, this is definitely a good time to buy right now. We definitely could still fall more, but this is at a hell of a discount to where it was at in the 400s and where it'll be going in the future. Other than that, Nvidia came right to where I needed it to come at 105. I should have bought yesterday. I didn't even look. Um, you can get in calls at the break of this red trend line, or you could wait until we get over 115 and try to trade back up to 125. Um, If we break 105, I would look to I would just I really wouldn't want to short this because we could pop at any moment, but I think we'll definitely come back to $97 or $95 if we fail the 105 level. So you could try shorts. I would just keep my stop loss right above the 105 level at like 106. Microsoft looked like it's trying to curl up here. Over, you could try if we could get back over 382, you could try some short, very short. I mean, you could try some longs to 385 and then possibly you see this gap we got to come and fill this gap. So if you want, you could try to get up to 390 with this to fill the gap. But we would have to have some great news on either tech or Microsoft for us to get a push to come all the way up there. Um, I think that's it though. If it's any other stocks y'all trading or futures that y'all want me to do analysis on, let me know and I'll go over it. But I'm gonna try to get this video out here so y'all could get some good trades in for this morning. So yeah, hit me if y'all got any questions and let me know. I'll be sharing some of the purchases I'll make today if I make some crypto purchases or any long or short positions I get in. See y'all have a good trading week.